Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Plug the charging case in and confirm the earbuds have at least 50% charge. This prevents interruptions during the firmware write. Once done, open the Bose Music app on your phone and sign in or allow permissions so it can detect the device. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then select your QC earbuds from the app's device list. The app will immediately check for firmware. Follow the on-screen prompt to start downloading the update files. Now you'll install the update. Tap Install when the app shows an available firmware version and choose Wi-Fi if the file is large, because cellular can throttle. Keep your phone and earbuds within a few feet and disable Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. Incoming calls can break the transfer. The app will show progress bars. Do not close the app or move the earbuds into the case unless instructed. The process typically takes 5 to 15 minutes, depending on file size and connection speed. Finally, after installation, the earbuds will restart automatically. Once they reconnect, check the Bose app to confirm the new firmware version. If pairing doesn't resume, power both earbuds off and on and try repairing. If the update fails or the app reports an error, perform a reset by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repeat the update. If problems persist after one reset, contact Bose support for guided diagnostics. Don't force multiple partial installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.